The top 6 vitamins to reverse erectile dysfunction. Naturally, erectile dysfunction, ED, is a condition that affects millions of men worldwide, yet it remains a topic shrouded in silence and embarrassment. For many, the ability to perform intimately is tied to their confidence, relationships, and overall well-being. While pharmaceutical solutions like Viagra have dominated the conversation, more men are now turning to natural alternatives, particularly vitamins and nutrients, to restore their vitality. But can a simple change in diet or supplementation truly reverse ED? Science suggests that certain vitamins play a crucial role in improving blood flow, boosting testosterone levels, and enhancing overall sexual function. The human body is a complex system, and sexual health depends on various factors, including circulation, nerve function, and hormone balance. Vitamins contribute significantly to these processes, and deficiencies in key nutrients can lead to or worsen erectile dysfunction. Below, we explore 6 essential vitamins that have shown promising effects in reversing ED naturally. 1. Vitamin D. The sunshine vitamin for sexual health. Vitamin D is more than just a bone-strengthening nutrient. It is essential for overall vascular health and testosterone production. Studies have found that men with vitamin D deficiency are more likely to suffer from ED. This is because vitamin D plays a key role in nitric oxide production, a compound that relaxes blood vessels and promotes healthy circulation. Without enough nitric oxide, achieving and maintaining an erection becomes difficult. Additionally, low testosterone levels have been linked to vitamin D deficiency, making supplementation a potential natural remedy for improving libido and erectile function. Sun exposure is the best source of vitamin D, but for those living in less sunny regions, supplements and vitamin D-rich foods like fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified dairy products can help. 2. Vitamin B3. Niacin. The circulation booster. Good circulation is the foundation of strong and sustained erections, and vitamin B3, niacin, is a key player in improving blood flow. Niacin has been widely studied for its ability to reduce high cholesterol levels and improve vascular function, both of which are crucial in preventing ED. A study published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine found that men with moderate to severe ED who took niacin supplements experienced significant improvements in their ability to achieve and sustain erections. Niacin also helps reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which can damage blood vessels and contribute to erectile dysfunction. For those looking to increase their niacin intake naturally, foods such as turkey, peanuts, mushrooms, and avocados are excellent dietary sources. 3. Vitamin C. The nitric oxide enhancer. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is a potent antioxidant that supports the body's ability to produce nitric oxide, the molecule responsible for relaxing blood vessels and promoting blood flow to the penis. Although vitamin C itself does not directly increase nitric oxide levels, it enhances the body's ability to produce and maintain this crucial compound. A strong circulatory system is essential for sexual performance, and vitamin C strengthens blood vessels while reducing oxidative stress, which can damage vascular health over time. Citrus fruits, bell peppers, strawberries, and leafy greens are excellent sources of vitamin C that can naturally support erectile function. 4. Vitamin E. The antioxidant for hormonal balance. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in protecting cells from oxidative stress, which can lead to vascular damage and poor circulation, two major causes of ED. Additionally, vitamin E has been shown to support healthy testosterone levels, which are vital for maintaining a strong libido and overall sexual performance. Since testosterone naturally declines with age, vitamin E may help counteract some of the hormonal imbalances that contribute to erectile dysfunction. It can be found in foods such as almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach, and avocados. 5. Folic acid, vitamin B9. The artery protector folic acid, or vitamin B9, is essential for cardiovascular health and plays a role in reducing homocysteine levels, a compound linked to arterial damage and heart disease. High homocysteine levels can lead to endothelial dysfunction, a condition that impairs blood vessel function and is commonly associated with ED. A study published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine found that men with ED often have lower levels of folic acid. Supplementing with folic acid has been shown to improve erectile function by supporting vascular health and enhancing nitric oxide production. Leafy greens, beans, eggs, and citrus fruits are all excellent sources of folic acid that can help support sexual health naturally. 6. Zinc. The testosterone booster zinc is a crucial mineral for male sexual health, as it plays a vital role in testosterone production. Testosterone is the primary male sex hormone, and low levels can lead to decreased libido, poor erections, and overall sexual dysfunction. Zinc deficiency is often linked to hypogonadism, a condition where the body fails to produce enough testosterone, leading to symptoms like ED and reduced sexual desire. Research has shown that zinc supplementation can help increase testosterone levels, particularly in men with deficiencies. Oysters, beef, pumpkin seeds, and nuts are all excellent natural sources of zinc that can help support sexual function. Conclusion. A natural approach to restoring sexual health. Erectile dysfunction is not an inevitable part of aging, nor is it something that should be ignored. While medications provide a quick fix, addressing the root cause through nutrition and lifestyle changes can lead to lasting improvements in sexual health. The 6 vitamins outlined above, vitamin D, B3, C, E, folic acid, and zinc, work together to enhance circulation, balance hormones, and protect vascular health. By incorporating these nutrients into a balanced diet or supplement regimen, many men can experience significant improvements in their erectile function without the need for pharmaceuticals. Of course, ED can sometimes be a symptom of an underlying health condition such as diabetes, heart disease, or hormonal imbalances. If symptoms persist, consulting a healthcare professional is essential to rule out serious medical issues and develop a comprehensive treatment plan. Medical disclaimer. This article is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as medical advice. Always consult with a qualified healthcare provider before making any changes to your diet, supplement routine, or treatment plan for erectile dysfunction.